Me say, you got to about 2028. That's a vote I found to about my year. Me say, you me print to you and call that.
Who say at this fine she what for the worker is going and they say who
I was for Asamaba. I've been to some live sessions this year, and me brother Bakobi, I wear brother Bakobi, or say or catch NPP delegates for and as NPP as a partner say 2028 say Voltarian for anchor to Obama NPP Omuba Bema, they shouldn't do anything for the Voltarian. And I say NDC need be so up live and so or say why is the guy saying that? And see now then tina kwano kasa asem about no. The fact is the fact. We can't be foolish enough. The NPP can't just be wasting money on the people of the Voltarian all the time. But when they need you people most, you abandon the NPP and then you go for the NDC. But when they come, they do nothing for us. And then, Omo and they were asking, say, Fifi quoted, the Voltarian senior minister, or see, Fifi quoted, say, or catch ye Voltarian for say. We should take the NDC party as a church, as a religion, even though if they don't do anything. And I want to say, voter senior minister Obwa. But we for me video now. Fifi Kote or Kachere, yes, we should take the NDC as a religion. We should worship them, even if they don't do anything. And see, because of the love, because and it's true. Most of us in the Voltarian, we don't think like we think. We don't even keep on voting for NDC. That is it. Me say today, when you come to Voltarian, the last week I was in Ketunov at the Magmanais constituency. The road from Aflau to Ho, bro, over 10,000 potholes, and what's our road also? Over 10,000 with Donyame from Toko to Georgia alone safe Grano. Over 5,000 potholes. You sit on that road at the Magbana. That road is between Ketu North and Ketu South. That means the Fagumashie and the Magbana. That is their territory. The road that you're supposed to use like a 1 hour and I said 30 minutes from Toko to Georgiano, you spend like 2 hours. People that are living in that area, they can testify that what I'm saying is true. It is sad. And then this guy is telling the people, say, if they come and they don't vote, people shouldn't do anything. And the NDC guy is complaining. Why are you complaining, bro? We should be serious as a people in the Volta region. When you come to Anglo, there's nothing. Come. I said when you come to Anglo today, we have tomatoes farming. That is what we are doing. We don't even have one company, even in the Volta region. The NDC cannot even boast of just one company in the Volta region. And we are saying it, you are saying what? We know what we are saying. We are living here. We are feeling the heat. We don't want to be fools all the time. That is why we are saying these things. It's here can. I was saying, oh, why did they keep on saying this today? The last time Bahama visited Keji, Gaveji there where the sea defense is killing the people, has taken over the town and promised them up to now. Go and see. You think the place is a war zone. Come and see the place. The place today is like war zone. When you go there, you think there was Afghanistan. It is Afghanistan. I say war throw bomb near the so we know what we are going to. That is why we are saying it. So if the NPP come back to power and the Voltarian couldn't even give the 300,000 votes, the 300, even 200,000, more to me and my NPP now, they should forget you people. Simple as ABCD. This is the video. Let me both video now. Fifi go to air catcher and say we should take the NDC party as church, as a religion, and worship them. My question video.
But we need to know who we are, and I think somehow we do not know who we are. And we need to start appreciating who we are. Luther said it's wrong for us, Volta people, to take the NDC as a religion. There's nothing shameful about it. You talk to some of our young people from Volta, they think it's something of pride to say, yeah, as for us, we are not like our fathers and uncles. We believe that we should not continue anything. They think it's something of pride. This party may not be the perfect party. It may not be a party that has always delivered every single thing that this regime wants. But it is our responsibility, our job, to ensure that our children remain loyal to this foundation in order to be able to make it better. Because if you watch what happens in Ashanti region and even in this region, they understand that their party was NPP and nothing changes that. Because somehow they appreciate that why are we going to ever forsake our party? Because this must become like a religion. Your religion may not be the best religion, but that is your religion. It's your responsibility to make sure you fix it, you change it, you bring changes within that religion. I remember as a young man, I left the Kali church, the church of my father, my grandfather, from as far back as possible, and became what we call a Pentecostal. And my grandmother, who was the most faithful Catholic you ever can tell, looked me in the eyes and said, how can you ever leave your religion? Roman ha, Catholico ha, that's what my grandmother used to say to me. That you can never leave your church. That is your religion, you must remain in. I think we need to let our people appreciate that this is who we are. You go to America today, if you go to New York State, the Democratic Party is like a religion. Through rain or shine, that you go to your party. You go to California, the same. You go to places where the Republicans are, it is the same.
La patonye, vota la patonye, utama so vota. Enti asantini kase osum NPP to say nowhere. Ono so na dey say eyatem didie. That's what you are trying to say today. Oh, you got to go free on more. Oh, NPP no some not say we. Let us say eyatem didie. And for evidence say
no. Ono na eka na asem. There's a difference.
Vota in your
no, me pacha video no who we are sending my sister no I'm sending my pacha.
Marty, vote and first my first question is in the audio no. Who catch am say no NPP power. Now baby do vote a won't penny because you guys no contribution, no chop. What's the meaning of that? No contribution, no chop, pacha.
Na some can no cry me kasa asem no.
Say you better develop my own penny because I'm on top of my
me say you got to about 2028. That's a vote I found to about my year. Me say you me print to you say nko hoda.
Why who see at this financial what the workers and they say who NPP now who support no who some on top of my na so who see
na no tio mami you na wono tio me ba ya na who are ya to about be 35 wo nya hwemaye na me ma ba on chance nkofo mo ya to mo ya boni mo ya timodem 40 no tuma achiglinyi party which is osono party ye be bibia mamo na se makama nto amayen na se nkonkofo be asantefo bi tuma na yereni a me mayen fanya development wo krom adama jimi
enti me ba vote enti Uba hanuma who condemn Collins Dauda say or see Sakot only president Sakotia for and to abamana on for develop enquire kwetia minu ya
me kan sa asem no hada me nke video na bonnetie the same video by now don ya fa go content me ba Jonathan me ba don me yan fa agro to me pacho sale you send master na man send mam sisi ya I didn't hear me pam be say me nyam sisi send me pacho send me
Volta ya hanum say me ba ultimate the audio video na usi fivi kote uka 2024 ultimate video no is a match of 200 Volta
okay me ba hold on me ba
prove us wrong bring that video the physical say I before and this Muslim say awesome no bring that video because some way who can since last year over video be and buy uber anyhow with no evidence. Ultimately video the back out. Bono be a one. Me 200 here.
Don't yan koso mo yan koso.
Also kasawai.
Ada dia asem na.
Sister na me pacho me besi ohun. Sister na me pacho me besi. Na ma pe video bi aba na osan fa me wa me pacho.
What say
No.
What I say they be asa me si akwa aba eno ana.
But no, send the video no ma so audio no ma sister na ma me no send ma me say.
Who the fifi kwete de na ba. Who the fifi kwete de na ba.
Me the baba.
Volta. Me video be kese. Who be sandi for Voltarian me bot yaw. Me compare yaw. Me video be bre.
Me pacho me ba.
Also kasawai.